Now, Governor Hochul's controversial pick to head the state's top court is trying to convince state senators he is the right man for the job.
You're looking live at the Senate Judiciary confirmation hearing for Judge Hector LaSalle. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer explains why this is a make-or-break moment for Governor Hochul.
After weeks of controversy, debate about the pluses and minuses of Governor Hochul's pick to head the State Court of Appeals, Hector LaSalle finally got to argue his own case.
So let me tell you a little about my beliefs and what my vision is for the court. I believe passionately that our justice system should be the great equalizer. Its doors should be wide open, with equal access to justice for people from all walks of life.
It was not the forum he was used to. Instead of a courtroom, the tribunal was a Senate Judiciary Committee, which has to decide whether to recommend him to the full Senate for an up or down vote.
Is it fair to say, Justice, that when you sign on to a memorandum decision, that justice is responsible for the analysis and holding of that opinion when you sign on?
I stand by every decision I've signed on to.
At issue, the resistance of left-of-center progressives to a former prosecutor who, they fear, will take the court in a conservative direction. They point to rulings on issues like labor, criminal justice, and women's issues. Senate Deputy Majority Leader Michael Gianaris explains.
My problem is he seems to be an agent of the status quo. We have a 4-judge block on that court that has been taking it to the right, ruling against tenants, against workers, creating all sorts of decisions that are counter to what New Yorkers would prefer.
Governor Hochul has been lobbying for the appointment as if her political life depends on it, and actually it does. If the progressives torpedo the nomination, it could mean they will derail other initiatives on criminal justice reforms and other issues.
There is an individual named Hector LaSalle who has had to endure character assassination like I've never seen.
Joining the fray, former Chief Judge of the Court of Appeals Jonathan Lippman. He says the committee should allow a floor vote so every senator can weigh in. Otherwise,
it's an ambush on something that, again, is not appropriate for how you look at a judicial candidate.
The governor has said she would consider suing the Senate if the committee nixes the appointment without all 63 senators having their say. I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.